When water is heated, it changes from water vapor or gas, and this is known as evaporation. So evaporation is a process in which liquid convert into gas, okay, below its boiling point. So due to atmosphere, without reaching the boiling point, whenever liquid form of water convert into gaseous form, it this process is said to be evaporation. So some evaporation takes place at all temperatures. A hot liquid evaporates faster than a cold liquid. Wet cloths become dry because the water in the cloth slowly evaporates. Wet cloths dry faster in the sun than the shade because it is warmer in the sun. Obviously, if you put simultaneously two cloth, one inside the room and one outside the room, direct contact to the sun. So obviously, whatever the cloths are hanging out outside, they will get dry faster than the cloths whatever they put inside the room. Okay, because obviously the amount of heat absorbing by both cloths is different. Okay, rapid evaporation takes place when a liquid start boiling, forming steam. Heat water in the pan till it's boil. Let it boil for some time and steam is formed and quantity of water reduces quite rapidly. Okay. When you put a pan on stove and after 2 minutes when you put little amount of water, it will directly convert into gas. Okay, rapidly. Water vapor condense to form water. Take water in a beaker and add a few ice cube to it to make the water cold. Keep it for some time on a table and then absorb the beaker. Can you see the teeny droplets of water on the outside the beakers? And these are called droplets. Where did the droplets come from? This is the biggest question of this chapter. When you put some amount of ice into beaker, after some time you see tiny droplets come outside the beaker. Tiny drops of water on the outside of the beaker. Where it come from? So we know that beaker consists of cold ice water, sorry ice, and this ice convert atmospheric vapor into liquid. We know that in our surrounding we are bounded from air. Air is present around us, and we also know that water vapor is a component of air. Little amount of water vapor is present in our surrounding, in our atmosphere. So whenever you put some cold water, ice into a bottle, into a beaker, these water vapor convert from gas to liquid. So by this way, this ice cool water vapor and convert into liquid, and these liquid come to the outer surface of beaker. As the air in contact with the beaker cools down, the water vapor present in the air condenses to form water, and thus when vapor is cooled, it changes back to water, and this is known as condensation. So evaporation is a process of converting liquid into gas, and condensation is a process in which gas convert into liquid form of water. Okay, hold a cool metal plate above the water boiling in the pan. As the steam come in the contact with the metal plate, it cools down and condenses to form drops of water on the plate. Okay, the change of a state of water with temperature can be summarized as follow. When ice melt, it convert into water. When water evaporate, it convert into steam. When steam condense, it convert into water, liquid. And when liquid water freeze, it convert into solid ice. So the conversion from liquid water to steam, it is said to be evaporation, and the conversion from steam to water, liquid water, it is said to be condensation. Okay, and the process of converting ice to liquid water, it is said to be melting, and from liquid water to solid ice, it is said to be freezing. So this is all about change of state. In next lecture we will discuss about water cycle. Okay, thank you.